Getting married or getting divorced are both major life events, and both can raise questions when it's time to do your taxes. Do I have to change my last name? How do I file now? When does my marriage or divorce start to affect my return? To begin with, if you get married any time within the year, the IRS considers you married for the entire year. That means you can file a married return. There are two married filing statuses: married filing jointly and married filing separately. Married filing jointly simply means that you and your spouse combine your incomes and file one tax return. Depending on your combined income, filing jointly may place you in a higher tax bracket, but it's usually the most beneficial for tax breaks. Married filing separately means you and your spouse file separate returns, counting only your separate incomes and splitting your credits and deductions however you like. Filing separately can sometimes be beneficial, such as when there's a big difference in the two spouses' incomes. In such cases, the lower tax for one spouse can more than make up for the slightly higher tax for the other. Getting a divorce may also affect your taxes. If you get a divorce or become legally separated, you can file as single for the year. If you have any qualifying dependents, you can file as head of household, which lowers your taxes more than the single filing status. If you changed your name when you got married or divorced, you should notify the Social Security Administration, or SSA, before you file your taxes. The IRS checks your tax return against SSA records, and if your first and last names don't match, your return will be rejected. Use the same name registered with the SSA even if it's your old name.